So today is lot day, and I think I'm gonna get myself another treat, another bike, something like this. Wow, wow, face my eyes.
Just kind of sat there.
That's what I love to do, ride them, tinkle with them, you know. Yeah, man, that's another one satisfied pickup. And big shout out to him, man. He doing this thing, man. Man, he's doing the thing in the community, giving back, and investing in health. Wealth is health and happiness. So tell us a little bit about your product, man.
Oh, I appreciate it, brother. So basically, we got the first patent pending solution that uses CBD to treat ED. When people think of ED, erectile dysfunction, they think something is broken. But as we get older, sexual decline is just going to happen. This is going to help anyone that's experienced any kind of sexual decline. So go to cbdfored.me and we'll work something out for you.
Oh, you see it. Yeah, let's go, baby. We're all still unloading. Yeah. JD Tires, Banshee out here. Zesty out here, everybody out here. Yeah, I brought a couple of them out here myself. I hit them boys up. Get to it. Get to it. This is what we doing over here. Lot day, JD Tires.
Yo, chicken, hot dogs, burnouts, baby.
That's right, chicken, hot dogs, burnouts, and wheelie. Stunto Fox, so you see it. Little Willie and Spike. I'm gonna call you Little Spike. Little Willie. So we got the carb done. Everything done on it right so far. I just hit it a little second ago. It just cranked. Let's see. How the Pat be out here?